Hello everyone. We start with the lecture number 6, part 2. In this lecture, we are going to the concept of the botnet, how the botnet will be happen, how it will be work, and what are the tips to avoid the botnet. So first, what is meant by botnet? The meaning of botnet is an automated program for doing some particular task over a network. Botnet is a meaning computing. Botnet term is used for the collection of a software run autonomously or automatically to remote PCs. The botnet are exploited for various purposes, including denial of service attack, then creation or misuse of simple mail transfer protocol, which is rely on a spam, or click the fraud or financial information such as credit card and numbers. So botnet, it is a automated program which is run by the server or which is installed automatically itself, so that the cyber criminal carries the activity, and the most of the botnet are the main purpose the collection of the information from the which is remotely located. What are the botnet will be exploit all the properties which is related to the victims, like simple mail transfer protocol, the relies on spam or financial information, or such as credit card number or debit card number. So this is the concept of the botnet. In short, the botnet is a network of computer infected with the malicious program that allows the cyber criminal to control the infected machines remotely without the user knowledge. So most of the cyber criminals use this concept botnet to run the remotely located machine by a software, that is a botnet, which controls the PC of victim from remotely located by the cyber criminal, and it will be unknown to the victim or owner of that PC. So all the data which is will be useful by the cyber criminal will be collected or copied on himself and use this data for the illegal activities for her beneficiaries or her benefit or his benefit. A botnet is also called as a zombie network. So zombie network. So the second name botnet is zombie network. Remember what is the zombie network? A network which automatically runs on a remote located PC and controlled by a remote located cyber criminal and collect the information, and thousands of PC can be pirated by this network, that is called as a zombie network. So how the botnet is created and used? Botnet operate send out the viruses or bombs infected ordinary users computer whose payload a malicious application, example bot. The bot is infected to the personal computer login into particular server or any web server. The spammer purchases the service of the botnet from the operator. The spammer provides the spam message operator who instructs the compromise the machine with via IRC server or causing them to send out the spam messages. Use of the botnet. The most of the in some wants to start a business has no programming skill. There are plenty to botnet for sale offer the forums. Encryption of this program's code can do order the protect them from the detection of the by the antiviruses. So botnet creation will be explained in very deeply by using a diagram. So botnet can be created in two ways, either botnet renting or botnet selling. So here botnet creation, then botnet selling, either botnet renting. So botnet sellings are the, again, under the category of 3: stealing the confidential information, stealing confidential information, second, provide the phishing attacks, to copy down the information by using the phishing attacks. Then spam indexing, again the stealing information are used by the cyber criminals are, example, selling credit card. This information will be, which type of information will be, which is selling credit card and bank account information. Bank account details. Then stealing personal identity. Personal identity of any victims. Selling the internet service and shop account. Selling internet service and shop account. So these are activities which is selling under the stealing the confidential information, phishing attacks and spam indexing, which is under the category of botnet selling. Now DDoS attack under the category of botnet renting. DDoS, denial of service attack. Then malware. Third is a spam attack. Spam attack. So DDoS attack, malware and spam attack. So these are the under the category of botnet renting. Malware, it is a concept in which it is a malicious program which is installed by the cyber criminal to the victim. So the main purpose of this malware to infect the computer system and copy out the information. The malicious program or malware programs may be viruses and worms. And third is a malware. Malware, it is a advertisement software which is installed to the victim. So advertise which is automatically open, which is automatically will be downloaded to the victim computer, so that the victim will be disable its operating system and the cyber criminal will be corrupted his operating system to the malware or malware. So this is the creation of botnet in two ways: botnet selling and botnet renting. Botnet selling under the category of stealing confidential information, phishing attack, and spam indexing, and botnet renting DDoS attack, malware or malware, as well as the spam attack. So this is the creation of an pure botnet creation in two ways. Now we going to the next concept. How this botnet attack will be protected. So points to be remember how your system will be secure from the botnet. Points to be remember. How to secure your system protected system, how your system secure your system from botnet. Okay. So use the antivirus and anti-spy software and keep it updated. So use first using antivirus software as well as anti-spyware software. Use spyware software and keep update time to time. So first tips to how to secure your system from the botnet attack. Using antivirus software and spyware software, anti-spyware software, and keep into update to time to time. It is basically used to prefer the automatic update at the day-to-day time or week-to-week time or month-to-month time. So most of the use the antivirus software. Then set the operating system download and install security patches automatically. So set your operating system in such a way that the certification done through a trusted computer system organization and the whenever your system will be downloaded, you must be used the certified trusted worthy organization or website or your operating system should be downloaded. Then use the concept of firewall. Use of firewall, or you can say firewall. It is a software or it is a computer which protect the system from internal access, or it will be filter your which type of service will be required and which type of service do not require. So use the firewall. So whenever you use the firewall to protect your system from the hacking attacks which is concerned from the internet. Then disconnect from the internet when you away from your computer. So whenever you do not use the internet, you must be remove the internet connection. Whenever you are remotely located or you are going traveling abroad, that time you must be disconnect your internet connection from your computer. So disconnect the internet connection. So whenever you say this site is most popular to get a free downloading software, you must be downloading a software your trustworthy websites. So do not download any free software which is to be seen a very popular, but it contains some another program which is will be very harmful to your personal information. So downloading any software from the trustworthy only you are known it. So downloading any software, any free software, we can say any free software. If you know about that organization or that website, if you know that organization or that website completely, that time you must be downloading. Then check the regularly folder. If you use the Gmail account day to day time, so it must be whenever you check it, first you check your mailbox as well as your sent items. So any activity done not through your system, so must be checked whenever you checking your email, and log out must be taken out. Take immediate action if your system is infected. So these are the some precaution guidelines which is taken while you are protected. You must be protect your PC or your system from the botnet. So we can stop here. Thank you.